Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel uniquestudy.com. It is the third part of the chapter The Fighter, and in the previous video we have to know about the two team. The team is NPS and the second team is VHS, and both are to play the match of the semi-final. And in the first inning the NPS team is played 123 runs in 26 over and all out. And after that the second team, it means VHS team, now start the playing game. Okay, so now we know what will happen in the next. So let's start the video. The okay what we okay let's see. The VHS team started continuously but was soon crushing along. Okay, in the beginning the second team, it means opposition team, the team name is VHS, is start to playing game with the casually. Okay, but soon they are crushing along, it means they fall down. At the halfway stage they were 83 for 3, it means they makes 83 runs in the halfway and the wicket is 3. Okay, 3 wickets fall down, and it was when that Venkat and Vasu, the spine twins of the NPS, and the in the second, it means opposition's team also turning up the bowling, and there are two person, the name of the person Venkat and the Vasu, both are two spine twins, spine twins of the team NPS, and Stucks. And within 8 over they had the rival team reeling at 108 for 8 in 28 overs. It means they played, it means the team VHS team played 28 over, and in the 28 over they made 108 runs and the wicket is 8. Okay, so next what will happen, this VHS had to score 60 runs in 2 overs. It means the team VHS need of the 60 run in 2 overs. Okay, and it is a very romantic game for the both team. Why? Because the second team is near of the aim, and the first team, it means NPS team, always try to stop to make the run. So it is very critical condition for both teams. The VHS had scored 60 runs in 2 overs with 2 wickets in hand. Okay, only 2 wickets they left of the VHS team. And then the danger man James was still at the crease on a steady 34. It means here is the best player of the opposition team, the name of the person as James. Okay, whose nickname was the danger man. Okay, why? Because he hitting very well, and now he stayed at the stop at the crease to make a 34 runs. Okay, Rahul had not been brought on. Imran now gave him the ball without a word. His first 3 deliveries were bang off the target. Okay, now Rahul had not been brought on. Okay, so Imran, it means the captain of the NPS team, now gave him the ball without a word. It means he know very well, it means Imran know very well that if Rahul give the runs, the whole responsible of the lost the match. Okay, the whole responsible gone on the Rahul's. So he gave him the word without any words, and his first 3 deliveries. Okay, it means in the beginning when he bowled three balls, then all the three balls became bunk. Okay, it means the batsman did not hit it. Okay, were bang on the target and James could not put them away. Okay, and James uh, did not touch the ball, and all the three become the bounce. It means deliveries banks. The home crowd cheered every such ball, and when the Rahul uh, throw the ball, bowling the ball, the whole crowd cheered of every ball. Okay, and Rahul now got a little overconfidence, and when the gathering, it means crowd cheered for the Rahul, then Rahul get the confidence and he decided he would try to get James out. And now he decided that it is not correct step for him. He decided that he would try to get James out, but he bowled a Yorker. Yorker means a Yorker means, it means a kind of the a ball that hits that a ground around the batsman feet. Okay, it is a kind of the bowling. Okay, so he throw the Yorker, a ball which he bowled really. Okay, it means this Yorker bowling is not favorite for him, and he wanted to out of the batsman, it means James, but always with the great result. Okay, what will happen? James was an experienced player. Everyone know that he is a danger man, and he will very well. He play very well with a good temperament and powerful soldiers. Okay, his skill is very best, and he pushed the ball with his shoulder as a powerful hit. Okay, and he read the delivery perfectly and stepped out to hoist it over long on for a huge six. Okay, when the bowler, it means the Rahul, when throw the ball in the beginning, the batsman is so clever and skillful. He watch out the ball and understand what kind of the ball will come. Okay, so he come out from the crease, his steps come out a steps and hit the ball very confidently, where he hit it on long on. Okay, and the ball gone as a huge six. Okay, so there was a whoosh in the entire stadium. Now all the person that present in the stadium become the completely silent. Okay, nobody make any noise. The crowd was stunned. Rahul's next ball was not a loose one, but James inspired by the glorious six. Okay, now next ball, it's now when the James hit the six, the Rahul became nervous, and the next ball, Rahul's next ball was not a loose one, but James inspired by the glorious six. Okay, whole the crowd become the stunned. Okay, he became surprised. Why the Rahul push bowl such type of the balls? Why he dropped such type of the ball? All the crowd became nervous and also surprised to the bowling of the Rahul. Okay, and Rahul also learned lesson from this bowling, and next bowling is not loose for the James, but the James have a confidence to hit the six. Okay, and stepped back and cracked it to the square leg boundary for a four. Okay, and he stepped back and cracked to it square legs. In square leg you can see the picture of the crease, and in the square legs the James hit the ball in a square legs, and it makes a boundary. And how many runs he gets? He collects 4 runs. That's clear. Now next, on the last ball, James took a single and retrained the strike. Okay, and in the last ball of the Rahul's, he only take a single. Why? Because he wanted to take a strike. Strike means he wanted to make a run in the next last over. That's clear. The NPS supporters could not believe this, and this is very terrible for the NPS supporters. Okay, Rahul had squandered all the good work done by his twins and the rest of the team. Okay, and everyone squandered. Squandered means wasted. Okay, Rahul had wasted all the good work. It means his work that he do before starting the match. All the works became the wasted by the twice. It means twice means he give the 6 run and 4 run, and the rest of the team means all the team that doing hard work. In one over, he had given away 11 runs. It means in the Rahul's over, the James hit 11 runs. He makes 11 runs in the Rahul's over, and in one over he had given away 11 runs. The equations now was clearly in favor of the VHS. It means now it's completely confirmed that the VHS team will won the match. Okay, 5 runs to get in the last over with 2 wickets in hand, and most important of all. Okay, why? Because in the team VHS has a 2 wickets in her hand and only 5 runs need of the only last overs. Okay, so it is easy for him. And in the strike, you can know very well that in the strike the danger man is present. Name of the danger man is James. Okay, James was on strike. Rahul was shattered, and he walked to his place in his square leg boundary and crushing himself for his overconfidence. Okay, and Rahul was shattered. It means he completely nervous. Why? Because he walked to his place in the square legs. It means her position, where is his position? His position is square legs boundary. Okay, and crushing himself. It means he thinking about his bad. We can say that is not bad work, but he also became very shame on her work. Why? Because he wanted to out of the James, and uh, his work is not good for him. Okay, and he also shame on his overconfidence. Okay, Ranga the final over. It means here is the Ranga that who take the last over, and James played the first ball for a single, and Manjeet whose skill with the bat were nothing great. Okay, and in the second position, that was the Manjeet. Okay, who is not good in a batting, so could not score of the next two, the fourth ball. Okay, in the next two ball he banks, and the Manjeet did not make any runs in a next 3 balls. And what will happen next? The fourth ball he managed to take a jerky single. Okay, and in the fourth ball he push it and make a single, and then on the strike the fifth delivery did not concede any runs. Now James had to score 3 runs of the last ball to clinch the Regal trophy for his team. It means here is the only last ball, and the James on the strike, and he needs only 3 runs. So it is very critical matter for the both team, the NPS team and the VS team, and both is struggling for the one match. Okay, the whole stadium the whole stadium was tense. It means everyone became completely tense. It means he think about that what will happen next, and even normally cool James was sweating. Okay, and James also have a only one chance to win his team, so he is normally cool. He even normally cool, but now he was sweating. Okay, he also under in a tense, and as Ranga turned and began his run up, Rahul was praying hard. He knew if they lost the match, it would be to a large extent because of his foolishness. Okay, and here is the only one person who know that if the match was lost, then everyone says to him that he was the responsible to give the 11 run in a over for his foolishness. Okay, and now next Ranga bowled the last ball and James stepped out and gave a massive heave. Okay, it means here is the Ranga the bowler, okay, who bowled the last ball, and when he bowled the last ball, the James stepped out. It means he come out a one step out from the uh, wicket, okay, and he hit the ball very strongly, and it will a strong he makes a strong hit, and the ball took off like a rocket, and now the ball running out up in the sky as a rocket and headed straight for the square leg boundary, and it's going on the square leg boundary. Okay, square leg boundary where the it means Rahul is standing. Okay, and Rahul saw the ball coming, and Rahul knew that the ball is coming toward him, and it looked like it would fall short. Okay, fall short. So fall short, he sprinted ahead and dived. Okay, sprinted ahead means raced forward. Okay, he now running very fast toward the balls that fall down in the crease. As he dived, he saw a sharp stone that was jutting out of the ground, and when he wanted to dive, he saw on the ground there are a sharp stone coming out from the ground, and if he dived, then he jutting out of the ground. Okay, and he had to make a choice. He could either catch the ball and face the risk of the landing on the stone, or avoid the stone and miss the catch. Okay, it is one condition that create you when you make a right decision, you take a right decision. Okay, so Rahul has two choice, one choice that either catch the ball by taking risk. What kind of the risk? When he dived, then he fall on the stones and he become injured, and second choice, avoid the stones and miss the catch. Okay, so Rahul dived ahead long and smacked. Okay, smack means a kind of the rocket. Okay, a kind of the we can say that rocket, and jet, we can say a small jet, and he dived like a jet. Okay, and the ball landed in his hands, and the ball will come in his hand, and the next moment he felt a sharp pain. But after the catch, it means he taking the ball in his hand, he fall on the stones, and he getting injured. Okay, and passed out, and when the Rahul opened his eyes, he saw a sea of face staring at him. It means many of the person gathering here, and all of them looking him, and all anxious. Okay, all of worried and excited. Okay, and they also very excited. Hey Rahul, are you okay? It was Ranga, and Ranga asking a question to the Rahul that are you okay? Can you get up? The coach was asking him, and concern writ large on his face. Okay, and now the coach was worried, and he asking to him that can you get up. Okay, boys, please let him get some fresh airs, and the coach also suggested to everyone to give him a room to take a fresh air. He heard the authoritative voice of Dr. Acharya. Okay, and here is the Acharya. Wow, what happened? did I take the catch? It means here is the Rahul asking the question to everyone. Can he take the catch? Did he take the catch? Rahul managed to ask, of course you did. What a catch it was. Okay, and everyone praised him. Why? Because he take the catch. The best I have seen. It won us the match, man. And next, the boys were drawing each other. We won, really, Rahul exclaimed. And everyone cried there. We won the match. And when Rahul heard this type of the statement, he became very happy. Okay, and all of the person says to the Rahul as a fighter and thanking to him. Rahul looked up and he had not even noticed that his head was in Imran's lap. Okay, it means Imran, the captain of the team, will take his head in her lap. How do you feel, buddy? Imran it means Imran asked the health of the Rahul. And we won the match. How else will I be feeling except great? Okay, that is the spirit, man. Drawing Ranga. Okay, and Rahul will be okay. The cut is not deep. I have taken care of that. There is nothing to worry. I couple up the painkillers and he will be fight fit. Okay, Dr. Acharya said. Okay, and here when the Imran, okay, when the Imran says to that, how can you do it? The Ranga answered that it is the team spirit. Okay, it is the spirit of the game. So now next, the Dr. Acharya also suggested that it is nothing a deep hurt or a deep injured, and when he take couple of the painkiller, and then he getting well. And yes, I am sure of that. After all, he is our best fighter, Imran said, and everyone cheered. When the captain of the team will say that it means Rahul is our best fighter and best player, then everyone cheered for his statement. Okay, so this chapter has been completed. Now we will meet with the next video. So thank you for the watching.